Yes, technicians should explain every step of the job, but the explanation needs to match what the homeowner actually wants to know, not overwhelm them with jargon they cannot use. Think of it like a doctor visit. If your doctor just poked around and said nothing, you would feel nervous and confused, right? But if your doctor explained exactly what they were checking and why, you would trust them so much more. It is the same with technicians. When a plumber, electrician, or air conditioning tech walks you through what they are doing, you understand what you are paying for and you can catch mistakes early. Something most people do not know is that many licensed technicians are trained to explain things in a way that protects both the homeowner and themselves legally, since verbal explanations often become proof of informed consent if something goes wrong later. A good technician will pause and check if you are following along, almost like a teacher checking if students understand a lesson. This builds trust and helps you make smarter decisions about your own home. One common mistake homeowners make is assuming silence means everything is fine, when really the technician might just be focused and not naturally communicative, so always feel free to ask questions instead of guessing. Another big misconception is thinking that a longer explanation means a more expensive job, when in reality most professionals explain steps for free as part of good service. A third thing to watch for is technicians who rush through explanations using confusing technical terms on purpose to avoid follow-up questions. So if that happens, kindly ask them to explain it simply, like they would to a 5-year-old. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.